Hi and welcome to 100% Gym. We're back again with the P30 Pro on top of the hill right next to Loch Lomond. Look left and right please, cameraman, slightly, and you'll be able to see around me. You've got the beautiful Loch Lomond everywhere and surrounded by a beautiful countryside and the hills. And basically we're going to test out the photography and the video capabilities of the Huewei P30 Pro on all of this nature. And we're going to take a walk down to Loch Lomond and take some nice pictures and some nice videos. And if you do like it, I will leave a link in the description for the P30 Pro, which is worth around £899 at the moment. But by the time you're watching this video, it might be less. So it's worth checking the link. And yeah, so please wait to the end of the video and we'll do a little outro and I'll talk about the pictures on the way through.
This picture is Loch Lomond in wide angle zoom, 1x zoom, 5x zoom, 10x zoom. It's my son in portrait mode. There he is looking at the old Loch Lomond, and we're on wide angle again, straight into 10x zoom, to 20x zoom. Another portrait of my gorgeous son again. I think this was a bit of aperture going on here. Super macro. There's a tree. Another tree super macroed. Little video walking down.
We're just recording now on the P30 Pro. This is the P30 Pro audio and video, 1080p 60. And we're going to see, the fact there's a sheep down here. So I'm just going to see what it's like. We're just walking down an actual hill. So here's the sheep. Oh, it's a ram. It might actually headbutt you. So we'll try and zoom into it so we can get a good shot. And that's 5 times. That's 10 times. 2 baby sheep.
My son playing with the camera when the sheep.
Go do that, Mum.
5x zoom. 5x zoom. Normal. Super macro. I like this one. This is like the best super macro I got. 1080p 60 FPS. The speedboat going past, pretty cool. That was wide angle, followed by portrait of my son again, down on the loch. That was a 5 or 10 times. That was 5 times. That was 5 times of the duck. 5 times of the swan. That's 10 times of the swan. Another 5 times or 10 times. It's an aperture of the side of the... That's me looking out at the loch in aperture mode. It's my son in aperture mode looking out. So another aperture one, still planned with loch in the background. Son about to throw a stone into the lake. Whoa! Look how clear that water is. Whoa! It's so clear. Beautiful water. That's another aperture. Wide angle. Normal. Catching a splash there. Another portrait. Normal. Foot swan landing. It's a normal one again.
Don't kiss and hug me and then try to run.
That was wide angle.
My tears don't fall fast.
Normal.
I want a love that will last.
That was aperture with a bit of a filter going on there with the duck.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you did like the pictures and the videos from the beautiful nature in Loch Lomond. Please don't forget to leave a like on the video if you liked it. Don't forget to check out the link, see if the prices have gone down. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here. Thanks again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, stay 100% real, stay 100% Jim. See you later!
Don't even ask. I wanna love